Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vishal. I hope you know our videos and everything. We just need to analysis about gold, what's going on next week, what we can capture in the next week, right? So right now it's gold is 288. We have almost 280, 290, 2090, right? So next room we have to think for we can sell from 2080 to till 2060. If it's breakout 2080 level, we have to sell till 2060 and 2065. That is a level there. If it's breakout 2091, 2095, if it's breakout upside 2090, 2095, we have to buy till 2120. First target 2105, 21 second target 2110, third target 2120. I hope you understand. Gold next move we have to sell from 2080 to till 2060. Maybe we will take 5 days, maybe take I think 1 days, 2 days, 3 days. Our SL we need to keep behind 2085, 2088. If it's breakout 2090, 2095, we have to buy from 95 your SL 2090 and you have to buy till 2120. I hope you understand, guys. Here, that is a bigger level here. That's I will show you here 1 hour time frame. What's going on in the market next week? We have can see here what we can see here. So this is the level here. You have to see this and this and this is three level, but it's breakout 2056, 2058, 2060 already breakout here. So that other level we have to is 65, 65 also break out this one level totally. So it is possible to market go downside and one move is possible here 65 boom like that. So it will be go like this. Okay, so we have to sure about if it's go market like that. One things I will show you the before 1 month maybe too big how is going a market here capture 50 more than 100 what maybe 50, 60 points, right? There's a one move is possible for to selling. There's a 20 minutes here is 30.6 selling here, but we have to accept only 20 22 25 points here. If it's go 20 to 25 downside we can capture easily, but you have to sell little less quantity because mark is totally uptrend. So take care this one things when you want to sell. So that's three level. It is already breakout. We make here two level. Market is consolidated two level here. We have to see what move is possible downside here. 65 and 60. It will be go market like that. Okay. I hope you understand here. There are things other level we have to see upside if you want to keep long positions. So that's your upside level here. 2144. 2144 you can buy from 2060. If it's breakout 60 level 2060 we can see downside 2047 again, 2047 again, and 2047 you can buy till 202140. That is a good point to buying here. 2044, 2047, that is a good buying for here. If you want to buy you can keep long positions till 2144, 2120, 2160, whatever. But that is a good way to have to buy from 2046 more quantity 2060 if it's breakout 2060. If it's not breakout 2060, we have to buy from 2060 and 2065 till 2144. And if we can sell next week, we try to sell our next week gold 288, 280. I hope you want I already write here. Just wait. So this is the level here. Gold next move 280. If it's breakout 280, we have to sell 2060. 2065, 2060. If it's breakout 60, we have to till wait for 2044, 2045. That is our level downside. Okay. If it's reached 2045, 2040, we have to buy till 2144. That is a great point for us to buying positions here. But first point we have to see 65, 60. We have to buy from there till 2144. Okay. Next week we have to sell if breakout 2080, 2080, and we have to trail our SL, book our quantity, whatever, how much you need to quantity, how much you need to execute your quantity in the market. So all about you, but make sure use your own strategy and own your risk management. That's good concern. And one things, always when you want watch your trading graph, you have to see 1 hour time frame. That's you can see the proper graph where you want to buy, where you want to sell. That's a clear picture in 1 hour time frame, right? So don't be in a hurry. You have to see the slowly everything's execute trade and everything you can do whatever you want to do, right? But make sure we can focus whatever selling for next week, and if it's not break out 2090, 2095. Thank you guys. I hope we will make next video for next week and next other days also. Thank you so much. I hope follow our YouTube channel, follow everywhere, guys. Our Telegram channel, we posted there. Our signals also, and you can follow anywhere. Thank you, guys.